Well, this is the first time I get to show the Goodman gas furnace. And that is because we got all of our stuff moved out of here into the new house, which we're going to be moving again Sunday. I got to work today, so I won't be helping much. Let's see, 2011 three-ton gas furnace. I never got it starting up in cool mode though. But yeah, it's a little small one. And the unit's just right outside there. As y'all know, I've got this thing starting up a lot of times, and I'm kind of filming as much videos as I can of this before I move out of this house. Oh yeah, it's working great. (2011) three-ton. Got a bigger Goodman over there. Two bigger Goodmans. But yeah, we'll be out of this house within the next week or two. So I'm not sure how long this process is gonna be, but I'll definitely be making a few videos of the new unit as well. Y'all know it's a 2024 Carrier Century air conditioner, and it's a 4-ton. Nice and cold. We're not blocking any vents or anything. We have all these boxes here, making sure to keep the vent uncovered. Anyway, over and out.